our civilization was developed enough that we can stand against everything, but we were wrong.
Asking people to stay at home and shutting down population movement is buying time and reducing the pressure on health systems. But on their own, these measures will not extinguish epidemic. The question is how large a price we will pay. Already we have lost more than 16,000 lives. We know we will lose more. How many more will be determined by the decisions we make and the actions we take now.
The world is changing. It's shutting down. The end is nigh? No, it's just taking a breather. Why not use this time to do all the things you wanted to do, but never had the time for? Connect with nature, paint a little, stretch those muscles, meditate, and go within. We promise you'll feel better for it. When the world is going crazy with viral infections and businesses are being shut around us, we just wanted to let you know that it's more important now than ever to work together. We're open for business. We're just working from home, and we can help you get your message to your customers. Together, we'll get through this. Together, we'll be stronger.